This is an 876 Streets exclusive.
Okay, I'm Richard Lee of Miracle Corporation. We're the local distributors for AMSOIL synthetic motor oil.
Doug Hollywood Gore, driver of the Audi at Dover Raceway.
Tommy Gore, driver of the number 4 go-kart, red Honda Civic and the red Toyota Corolla FX.
So much car, yeah. So as one of the executives of Dover Raceway, we were approached along with Mr. Lee from Miracle Corporation and said to him, could you help out Dover? Everybody now knows that Dover is in big time trouble. We are to the point where we owe the leases, the trustees of Dover Raceway, about $2 million. After seeing Mr. Lee here at the go-kart track, and Tommy so far winning all his races, everybody was in a good mood. So I thought it was a really good time to...
The timing, eh?
Yeah, timing is everything. And I wanted to approach him and said, could AMSOIL, through Miracle Corporation, help us out in any way possible? I must tell you, it is a blessing to hear that Mr. Lee has decided that on Monday morning he's drawing a check for $2 million to the JRDC to make sure that Dover continues the way they are. And I must tell you, a big ups to Mr. Lee. He has been sponsors of me for over 20 odd years.
And for me over 10.
Yes, Tommy from since he was 5 years old. So the commitment to motorsports with this gentleman, with his family, with the Miracle Corporation is second to none.
Basically, I was aware of this situation approximately 2 weeks ago, Doug, 2 or 3 weeks ago, where a post was made regarding the situation. As I said, I was aware of it. However, with the post made recently on Instagram, social media, I realized that this matter had really come to a head where the timeline of the end of May, which is on Monday morning, is something that has been lingering for approximately, it seems, 2 years now with regards to the funds owed. And I figured that motorsports is really core to our business. AMSOIL really, without the motoring public of Jamaica and also the support of the racers across, whether it's rally, circuit, drag, etc., including the go-kart track here, really we may as well go home. So we feel, apart from my personal love for the sport, is we feel we have an obligation to really put up when the situation is very dire, which we are in at the moment. So I made the commitment this afternoon that we would literally step to the plate on Monday and ensure that those funds are transferred immediately to deal with this deadline. Because let's face it, there are only 2 major racetracks in Jamaica, and Dover for me personally is my favorite because of the challenges, the hills and the hard braking and so forth. And racing, in my opinion, would not be the same without Dover. So I feel AMSOIL had to step to the plate, and we have, and we will on Monday. And it is our pleasure to really do it, because the thing is, we could say, well, let's reach out and get the support of the rest of corporate Jamaica. The truth be told is, in COVID times, I'm not in a position to determine who will support and who won't. I know that we are in a position to support, so I said, listen, I'm going to go this alone if necessary. We hope other companies will step, because there are debts beyond the 2 million. But for the start, we will show good faith and send a signal, hopefully, to the public that all is not lost when it comes to corporate Jamaica and Miracle Corporation and AMSOIL. We are putting our money on the table on Monday morning for the JRDC and all of the racers in Jamaica.
Subscribe now to 876 Streets on YouTube, and turn on your post notifications. Thank you for watching.